Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin this newscast by delving deeper into the tragic story of the 10-year-old girl who was raped and killed in Trelawny Tuesday evening, allegedly by her cousin.
Now this evening, her family members share the chilling details of what they believe was a targeted attack by a serial rapist.
Now, we were told the suspect, who was killed by a mob of residents hours after the incident, was also helping with the search for the child.
Kelisha Williams reports.
This is where 10-year-old Shania Coke took her last breath, a lonely road off the beaten track in the hills of Trelawny.
The interview I'm giving you, I'm trying to see if I can get it all out of me, but I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. But I'm saying what I can say, you know. Life is so unfair.
Traumatized, depressed, don't know what to do because it could have happened to my daughter, my niece, anyone. Could have happened.
We were told Shania was on her way back home after her grandmother sent her to the shop around 3:30 Tuesday afternoon. However, her grandmother said she got suspicious after 30 minutes passed and the child did not return home.
I just called my grandson and say, come, Alric, come go up on the road, go look if you see your cousin. He go and he come and say, Grandma, me reach out a try, out of the cash pot, out of try cross, out of the cash pot, and I no see Ross Ekeja. So he come back to me.
Anxious and frustrated, Miss Williams said she went to the shop to see if she made it there.
He said, look, Mama, he said, no, me serve him. Keja come and buy us a lady serve him. And he serve him and tell him, say, Keja, me case and go on one because the lady say she kind of with anybody girl pitney. When he see them alone, he always encourage them. Say, look here. So he said, the girl never delay. He just sell him and she turn out and Tracy said, the girl said to him, all right, Tracy. And he said, all right, go on, take time, go on.
But those fears would soon become reality, as hours later, Shania's body was found with the throat slashed. It's believed she was also raped. It's believed she was lured to the area where she was assaulted and then killed. We were told a suspect, Shania's cousin, was among the people helping her grandmother with the search.
Last night when I go around there and see him on the veranda, I was broken down so bad I couldn't take up a pebble. And I said to him on the veranda, I said, you see it? How me tell us if you leave my daughter alone, just don't go bother him. Don't come out and come rob and kill me pickini. And you rob and kill me pickini. And he said, yes, sir.
Moments later, another bloodbath. The suspect, Delroy Coke, was chopped to death by an angry mob. His father, who sources say came to his defense, also received chop wounds and is battling for life in hospital. Residents say the incident is a culmination of their frustration. They claim the suspect was a serial rapist who had attempted to rape other people in and around the community and was recently released from prison for rape.
I talked to the father. I said, why you bring back this guy into the neighborhood? He said, I've seen picnic do what I want to do with him picnic. And see, I beg him, I say, I your cousin. Get this guy out of the neighborhood. The guy came to my business place and buy file quite a few times, machete file. And I said to him, my little daughter around there, she live around there as a girl child. Don't molest him coming out and you go rape and kill him. He said, no, Mr. Coke, I won't do it.
So what happened?
So you're saying that this could have been avoided?
Avoided long time.
Now the tragedy has left a stain on the community, but residents are holding on to the memories of Shania, who was described as a bright and promising child. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.